Hey, it's Mom, and today we're going to make quinoa salad. Let's start with the ingredients. We have 1 cup of raw quinoa that's been cooked, about half a bunch of cilantro, half a can of garbanzo beans, about 1/4 of a red onion that's been diced, about half a cucumber that's been diced, half a red pepper that's been diced, half a can of black olives that are sliced, 1 full avocado that's been diced, 1 red tomato that's been diced, and then we're going to use any sort of Italian dressing that you like. This is a really easy salad to throw together if you have everything already prepped. So we're just going to add, this is 1 cup of quinoa that we cooked earlier. It's probably the equivalent of 2 cups. We're just going to add everything right into our bowl. This is the cilantro, garbanzo beans, and you can add garbanzo beans or black beans or any type of beans that you like, or you can leave them out if you don't want beans in it. The avocado. Again, anything that you don't like here, don't add, or if there's something special that you do like, go ahead and add that in. Cucumber, diced Roma tomato, and red pepper. You can use red pepper, green pepper, orange pepper, yellow pepper, whatever you like best. Now that you have everything in your bowl, just go ahead and add your salad dressing. You can use your favorite Italian or your favorite oil and vinaigrette. That was probably about 1 cup of dressing. I'm not sure if that's going to be enough or not, but we've got some more that we'll add to it. Just give it a stir. You want it to be nice and moist. This really took me about 5 minutes to prep the vegetables and get them all ready. The quinoa takes 20 minutes. If you don't know how to make quinoa, just go ahead and click right here to the link for our video to make quinoa. Once you have everything mixed together, go ahead and give it a taste. This is spot on. So that little bit of salad dressing that I added, that was about 1/2 a bottle, was perfect for the amount of vegetables in quinoa that I've added here. If you don't think that it's tart enough or flavorful enough, go ahead and add a little bit more salad dressing to your liking. We have a special guest tonight. My mom is here, so we're just going to take a little spoonful over to her for her to give it a sample.
Excellent, Allison. Delicious. Thank you.
Here's our finished recipe, quinoa salad. Look how beautiful and colorful this is, loaded with all sorts of nutrients and vegetables. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share it with all your friends, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any comments or suggestions, go ahead and leave them down below. Cheers, until next time.